noticed this as I was crossing onto the bridge. I don't know if you can see that. It's a sign that basically advertising the Samaritans. I suppose there are people whose life becomes too troublesome that they feel perhaps ending it by jumping off a bridge is the answer. It's probably a necessary evil to do things like this, but it's very sad that somebody would want to end their life in such a terrible way, or end their life at all. Let's hope not many people are calling that number. There's something worth living for.